Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify compound Y. Y has molecular formula C2H7N. Amines of this formula, ethylamine, CH3CH2NH2, fits C2H7N. So Y is equal to CH3CH2NH2, ethylamine. Moving on to the next step. Identify nitrile X. Lyl 4 reduces a nitrile RCN to a primary amine R CH2NH2. If Y is equal to CH3CH2NH2, then X is equal to CH3CN, acetonitrile, because Lyl 4 reduces CH3CN to CH3CH2NH2. Moving on to the next step. Identify Z. X is equal to CH3CN hydrolyzed in acid medium gives a carboxylic acid, CH3CN plus H2O, H plus, CH3CO, acetic acid. So Z is equal to CH3CO. And for the final step, mixing Y and Z, Y is equal to CH3CH2NH2, a base, and Z is equal to CH3CO, an acid. An amine and a carboxylic acid undergo an acid-base reaction to form an ammonium carboxylate salt, CH3CO plus CH3CH2NH to CH3CO plus CH3CH2NH3 plus. This is an ionic salt, CH3CO, CH3CH2NH3 plus. Check options. Option C is CH3CO, CH3CH2NH3 plus, which matches exactly. Why other options fail? A and B are amide products, which require heating dehydration, not simple mixing at room temperature. D has CH3CH2CO propanoate, which would come from a different nitrile, and CH3NH2 plus, which doesn't match ethylamine. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.